What is going on, guys? In this video, I really want to stress and talk about why you should only buy on red days and short on green days, long-term wise. So with that being said, let's jump right into this video.
I've been getting dirty money.
So you guys think it's going to go up or you guys think it's going to go down? Just so you guys know, you guys can short a stock and bet that it's going down or buy a put. That's one of my students. Don't worry about that. Shout out to Caden Rice on Instagram. One of my students. He's done very, very well. But that's besides the point. So when you are wanting to long-term or swing trade something, meaning you want to hold for multiple days, I'll have to edit that out. But anyways, you guys have something spread within multiple days, guys. This is one of those things that buying on a red day, if you think something's going to go up, is actually going to be a huge benefit. For like instance, right here on this one, Uber, you guys see my price line's at $35.70. That's exactly where I was buying at, and I was buying contracts on this one as well. Buying calls, just so you guys know. Calls, you're going up, puts, you're going down. But I bought calls on this one. To understand why I did this, you'd have to understand my strategy and what we do and what my students do with me. But right now, this one had a red day. You guys can see we are on a daily chart. This had a red day, and I bought it pretty low on the day. I didn't buy the bottom at all. I didn't buy the bottom, but I bought pretty low for the day. And considering yesterday, it was pretty flat. I mean, it had ups and downs, but it's pretty flat yesterday. So this is where I bought at, and yes, I use the price lines to know exactly where I bought it. I don't use support and resistance in this strategy. That's not a strategy to me. I'm sorry, guys, to burst your bubble if I just burst anybody's bubble. But why? So the biggest thing when it comes down to buying on red days is you're getting a pullback. Pullbacks are huge. You want to make sure you're buying on red days because that means you're getting the better price. Does that mean you may end the day in the red a little bit? Yes, that's okay. But as long as you're following a strategy like I do, where if you just give it multiple days and you make sure you buy contracts at least 2 weeks out, this one I bought for a month out, you're giving it time to expand and to grow and to recoup. This one I actually ended barely red. I was like 1% red today, which is 100% okay because my risk reward on this one is absolutely insane. So why should you buy on a red day? Well, if you buy on a red day and you think it's going to go up, more than likely, as long as your strategy works, this one is going to explode more than likely. Now, when I say explode, it's not going to the moon or anything like that crazy. But I do think I can sell it up here in at least around 38 or 38.50, maybe even 40s. And I can make a huge return on options. Now, when you're buying stocks, that may not seem like a gigantic return, guys. I absolutely understand that. But when it comes down to options, guys, that is an absolute insane return. When, like today, I bought Nike, and you guys can see exactly where I entered on this one. Now, I did enter on a green day because that's just the only opportunity it was given me. It didn't give me the opportunity on the red day. I wish I would have. But again, I bought on this day because it wasn't too far yet. Now, you can see on this one, I anticipated it, and a lot of my students are still in this one. It's well up above $100 now when we were buying it at $99.13. So this whole $1.50 move, or maybe a little bit more than that. Anyways, this whole move from here to here, guys, I didn't even capture this whole move. I bet you I was selling it like right in here near these highs at $1.50 or $100.50. So about $1.50 move for me. I made 47%, guys, on this. And yes, I had a bunch of contracts on this, but that is the power of options. So, why would you buy on a red day? That's the biggest things, is you're giving yourself the better opportunity to be buying possibly on a pullback than you are, chasing a stock. You never want to chase a stock. So, for instance, if something confirmed on this day right here, or on this day, and you missed it on this day, but yet you want to buy it still, well, I wouldn't be buying on this day. I would be hoping to buy on this day. I wouldn't be buying on the red for sure. I hope that makes sense to somebody, guys. Same way, just vice versa for shorting and buying puts. I do this all the time for my long-term accounts and on my swing trading accounts. I hope you guys all understand this. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will answer all the questions. I will make another video even if I have to. Just hit that thumbs up button, guys, if this helped anybody. Let me know what you guys think, and I look forward to seeing you guys in tomorrow's video.